To bill goods from a good receipt, you must have a purchase order and accept the commercial terms of it, such as price and quantity, amongst others. Moreover, you must have validated the good receipt through Arriba or by mail. For suppliers who bill through the MyPyme portal, visit the website from Servicio de Impuestos Internos and click the button Ingresar a MySI. After that, Ingresar con certificado digital. Select Servicios Online and Factura Electrónica. The steps to be followed are Sistema de facturación gratuito, Historial de DTE y respuesta a documentos recibidos, Ver documentos emitidos. After that, a window will be opened where you must search the number of the good receipt you want to bill. Enter the number and press Buscar documento. After that, press the icon for Ver. Select the third option, Facturar guía. You will access a window in which will be loaded the information of your company and the one from BHP. In the cell Referencias, associate the purchase order. Enter the folio number and date of issue. The information of the product will be already loaded as it was entered in the good receipt. However, if you want to modify something, you can do it. For example, in this case, we will correct the information to add the QBLI code and reference a line number. Click the button Validar y visualizar and make sure the information is correct. If the information is right, click in Firmar. After that, enter your password. Finally, if you want to see the document, click in Ver documento, where the invoice will be shown in PDF. In conclusion, remember the following points. If your purchase order hasn't been validated, the invoice will be rejected. To bill, you must enter the data as indicated in the purchase order. You can edit the information that was preloaded. To reference the line number, always write QBLI in the cell Tipo Producto. You can only reference one purchase order, otherwise the invoice will be rejected. In Método de Pago, select Crédito. The fields shown in this website are universal. No matter what ERP your company uses, you will have the same fields to enter the information.